up here. Sorry, I'm here, CGR, with Garrett, who doesn't want to be shown in the video. We're walking home from school from the bus stop. It's pretty windy up here. I'm pretty serious right about now. He just threw my assignment down, the thing all crumpled up. We're going to have to chase after. Let's go. Alright, I'm going to show you the view. It's pretty beautiful. Well, it's pretty gnarly. It's more guyish. Look at that. Isn't that just great? So the sun, wherever it is, I can't really see because I got my shades on. Anyways, look over there. Pretty much I want to know something. If you guys were like from away right now, and you could see this, and we told you it was April, would you believe us? Or would you think, hey, there's ice in the water, that must be Alaska? This is like Alaska right now. It's barren, there's nothing here, except that guy, Garrett, and me, CGR. So come to Alaska if you want to CGR, or keep it in North Scotia, either or. What? Gay joke. Also, here, guys, it's not a gay joke. There's some caribou and Smallwood and the caribou is there, left, but you know what I mean. And then there's also that fishing boat down there, the ice in the harbor. God, it's cold. It's April 2nd. April 2nd, 2008. God, it's fucking cold. Stop stealing all my shit. He's stealing all my shit. I need this shit. Okay, that's it for now.